Today I'm going to show you an easy way to figure out which side a bad wheel bearing is on. First thing you do is jack the car up in the air and get both wheels off the ground. The next thing you do is shift it into neutral so you can spin the tires. So all you do now, since it's in neutral, you can spin these tires, grab onto the spring and spin the tire. Now, if the wheel bearing is bad, you'll be able to feel it vibrate in the spring. See, this one doesn't really vibrate when I go backwards, but I can definitely feel it in the spring. So if I go to the other side, I can't feel any vibration in the spring, which means that wheel bearing, the bad one, is on the passenger side. That's pretty much it. Make sure to like my Facebook page, like the video, comment, subscribe, whatever, that whole business. Anyway, thanks for watching.